Hi. Today I felt like talking about ABCD of negative emotional behaviors. ABCDE, what do I mean by that? Very simple, and that's the feeling I wish to promote through this video, that negative emotional behavior is just a reaction to a stimulus. We need not be overly bothered or concerned about it. So what ABCD stands for is basically an acronym about how the whole cycle of a negative behavior initiates. A basically refers to an activating event. So there's always a stimulus in the environment which is leading to some kind of consequence. So that activating event could be anything that releases a set of reactions. Once the activating event happens, this leads to the formation of beliefs. Now, beliefs, what do I mean by that? Very simple. Beliefs is emotionally held statements. These are those statements which may or may not be true, but for the person having those beliefs, they make a lot of sense. They hold them so emotionally close to them that breaking the beliefs becomes tougher for them, and also any sort of behaviors that they are often getting into is coming from their belief system. So that activating event, how it unfolds, leads to the formation of beliefs. Now, beliefs could be both good beliefs, happy beliefs, positive beliefs, or beliefs which are limiting, which are paralyzing, which are affecting the way you talk, behave, think, or even interact with people. The third thing, which now talks of C is the consequence. So once there's something happening, there's an activating event or which is acting as a stimulus, and then there is a response happening in the form of formation of beliefs in your mind. This leads to action in the reality. I just said your belief and your behavior are connected. So if you have an awesome belief, say for example, if you believe people are resources, you will look at people and you'll feel a sense of excitement when you meet people. At the same time, when you feel people are manipulative, people are not good, people only are selfish, your behavior, the consequence of this belief shows big time in how you interact with people. So that is so important to understand. Coming to D. Now what is D? Well, D basically is, now you see what happens once there is an activating event, once there is a belief formed because of that, there is definitely a consequence, and that consequence could be a very positive, healthy emotion, or it could be a negative emotional problem, issue, challenge, whichever way you wish to like to label it. Now, this C could create a lot of big problems, pains, challenges, and big emotions. Whether it's an adult or a child, it may create things which are not very happy to handle. So, once your ABC is understood, the big role of D comes into picture. D here means as a parent, as a caretaker, as an adult, what can you do? You can simply dispute the B part of it. Yes, dispute, that's the word for D. So once you start disputing the belief, you're actually making sure that whatever the child, the adult, the executive, your team member, or anybody else in the environment has held so close to their heart and which is leading to a consequence which is not good, the moment you dispute it, of course you've got to be authentic, you've got to be empathetic, you've got to be nice, you've got to be doing as a matter of fact and not trying to correct the other person. They don't like it. So when you dispute it, basically you are understanding, or rather making them understand through your questions as to what is not working, or how that belief could be actually a wrong belief, which is leading to the consequences which he or she is facing and which is creating so much of problem in their life. So dispute is another important, that's the area where your role as a parent, as a caretaker, as an authority figure comes in. And finally, when you do all these 4 steps right, the last step, which is about the new effect, is the new behavior that you create in your young adults, in your employees, within yourself as well. So dispute equally works when you are working for yourself, you're working for your children, when you're working for your employees. So that, remember, any emotional challenge is as simple as handling as by saying A, B, C, D, E. Thank you.